Hello everyone, and this is Jennifer Gabriela and Amaya. It's a pleasure to be here with you in this new video, in which we are going to talk about the three nasal sounds in English. So, how to pronounce M, N, and sound. Okay, the N, N, and sound. I know the last two sound very similar. These sounds are often studied together because all are classified as nasal sounds. Nasal means produced by sending a stream of air through the nose. These sounds are produced with air movement through the nose. If you hold your nose, you cannot produce this sound in the same way. Okay? The only difference in these sounds is the position of the lips and tongue. For example, the consonant M is made with the tongue, the mouth closed, like this. Okay, and the M with the mouth open a bit and the tongue touching the side teeth at the front of the that the air cannot escape through the lips. An sound the same as M, but with the tongue further back. Let's look at these three consonant sounds in the following chart. Okay, we can look in this here and also here. We can take notes about it, about these three sounds. The M, N, and M sounds are voice sounds. The M is a bilabial sound. The N is a alveolar sound, and the sound is a velar sound. The M as okay is a velar sound. We can also see in this picture here the M sound as in mold. You see the lips, mold. In this, the sound N as in neck, neck. And this example as in song, song. Okay, so now let's look at each sound individually. Okay, first one we have the sound of M, the M sound. Okay, to create the M sound, the lips are pressed together, causing the air to be blocked from leaving the mouth. The soft palate drop, allowing air to pass out through the nose. The sound is voiced, so the vocal cords vibrate while producing it. The M consonant sound. The symbol is the letter M. As you can see in this, okay, here we have the letter M. This is the symbol for this. It is made by lightly pressing your lips together while making the sounds with your vocal cords. Although most of the air moves over your soft palate, some air moves through the nose, and I feel like it's vibrating through your nasal passages. This is why M consonant is referred to as a nasal sound. In this chart, we have some words for practicing the M sounds. The words are in phonetics. Okay, so let's do it. Then I'm going to show you the normal words so you can repeat after me. We have the word here as map, make, room, smile, Here I think it's a error, but the word is email. Mole, chain, and down. Okay, so then we have the sound of end. The letter N produces sound from the single consonant group. In order to produce the N sounds, place the tongue on the right behind the top teeth and blow air out from the nose. The sound is made through the nose rather than the mouth, and it is a voice, which means the vocal cords vibrate while producing it. A few examples of the same are narrow, neck, net, etc. The N consonant sound has a symbol, the same letter, and it is made by moving air through the nasal passage. Your lips will be slightly parted, the tongue touches the roof, your mouth just behind your teeth. You should feel a vibration in your nose. Then we have a chart also, like in the M. We have some words for practice. Also, these words are in phonetic way. That is nice, now, open, knife, dumb, oven, and sink. Now we have the last sound. It is the LG sound or the N sound. It's a voiceless, sorry, it's a voiced sound. It is a voiced nasal consonant, producing with the back of the tongue touching the soft palate. The air follows out of the nose. To produce the sound, as in king, the tip of the tongue is down, not touching anything. The back of the tongue is up, touching the soft palate of the back of your mouth. You can study the N sound you cannot study the N sound without also studying the N sound. The symbol for this sound is like the letter N but with a small tail like the letter G, as you can see in this picture, right? This is the third nasal sound in English. It is also produced by moving air through your nasal passage, but the tongue placement is different than the N sound. The tongue is raised and further back in your mouth. For these sounds, we also have a chart to practice the following words in the phonetic way. Okay, so let's do it. We have the word think, going, long, king, being, think, drink, swung. Swung. Okay, well done. We have completed this lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time and let's see in the next time. Bye bye.